Welcome to our Gimbal Face-Off. Today we're diving into a comparison of two popular smartphone stabilizers, the Fisherfans Gimbal Stabilizer and the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit. We'll explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for you. Whether you're a casual user or a serious content creator, we've got you covered. The Fisherfans Gimbal Stabilizer offers one-axis stabilization, which is suitable for basic video capture. However, it may not provide the smoothness needed for more dynamic shots. In contrast, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit features advanced 3-axis stabilization, ensuring smoother footage even during action-packed scenes. This makes it a better choice for vloggers and content creators who require high-quality stabilization. While the Fisherfans Gimbal Stabilizer is a budget-friendly option with basic features like a Bluetooth remote and tripod mode, it lacks advanced functionalities. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit comes equipped with a magnetic fill light, ultra-wide-angle mode, and various shooting modes, making it a versatile tool for professional videography. The Fisherfans Gimbal Stabilizer is priced at $79, making it an attractive option for casual users who want basic stabilization without breaking the bank. In contrast, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit retails for $129, reflecting its advanced features and superior stabilization. Depending on your budget and needs, you may find one more appealing than the other. In conclusion, both gimbals have their strengths and weaknesses. The Fisherfans Gimbal Stabilizer is perfect for those on a budget looking for basic stabilization, while the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit is ideal for serious content creators who need advanced features and superior stabilization. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.